So in this question, you've been asked to solve for a. We have v equals the square root of a times b minus t. So we're solving for a. In other words, we are to make a the subject of this formula. Now, to approach this kind of problem, making a variable the subject of a formula, we have to perform some inverse operations. So in this particular one, you find that there's a square root sign on the right hand side, and the variable that we want to make the subject is under the square root sign. What do we do to remove this square root sign? So we have to perform an inverse operation of finding the square root. And the inverse operation of finding the square root is squaring. So we have to square both sides of the equation. When we square both sides of the equation, we'll have that v squared is equal to the square root of a times b minus t all squared. And when we square that, we'll have that v squared is equal to, this square will cancel the square root sign, and we'll have this to be equal to a times b minus t. Now we're subtracting t on the right hand side here. In order to remove this t on the right hand side, we have to perform another inverse operation. Here we are subtracting. The inverse operation will be addition, so we add t to both sides of the equation, and this will give us v squared plus t is equal to a times b. Now we want to make a the subject of the formula. A is being multiplied with b. So what is the inverse operation of multiplication? It is division. So we divide both sides of the equation by what? By b. Okay, we divide this by b, and b will cancel b here, and we're left with the final equation being v squared plus t divided by b is equal to a, and this is our solution.